Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to find my location on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to find my location or find your location on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps, guys, if your location is not shown like this and you are somewhere else on the Google Maps screen like this, then guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there is a blue icon with the arrow icon over here in a blue box, and there is a circular with a circle inside it. This is the GPS location at the bottom right corner of the screen, guys. One is the blue icon with the arrow on it, and one is the white circle with a circle on it. Tap on the circle icon with a circle on it, which is the GPS, and the moment you tap on it, your location will be shown to you like this. Let's go back again. Tap on your circle icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, which is on a white circle, and your location will be shown to you like this. And this is how you will be able to find your location. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.